In this video, let's sign up for an OmniStudio-enabled org. If you have access to any industry org such as Health Cloud org or Financial Cloud org, then OmniStudio will be available in that org. But if you do not have access to any of these org, then you can spin up a developer org which has OmniStudio enabled. Also, if you have access to partner community, then you can spin up any industry demo org which will give you access to OmniStudio. But in this video, let's create a simple developer org with OmniStudio. The URL from where you can spin up this developer org is here. So let's just open this. This was the previous URL from where we used to spin up a demo org where OmniStudio was enabled, but like from last few days or few months, this error is coming up. So we are not able to spin up a OmniStudio trial org, but there is a workaround which is to spin up a different type of org. So this is the one that I have added in the PPT also. So this trial org is specially for learning the approval process for public sector solutions. So like while completing this trailhead, you will need to spin up this kind of org, but this org will also have OmniStudio enabled. So we will spin up this org only. So here you can give your details like first name, last name, email address, and all the detail, and it will send you an email where you can reset your password. So once you do that, you will have access to this org and you will land on the sales app. Now, as an admin in this org, you do have access to OmniStudio right away. But if you want to give access to other users, or maybe you do not, if you do not see the OmniStudio app, then just go to setup and assign yourself the permission sets for OmniStudio. Let's go to the permission set. And here you will see the OmniStudio permissions. So once you go to O and you see OmniStudio admin on OmniStudio user. So these are the two permission set that we will be mostly using. The OmniStudio admin is the permission which allows admin users to configure OmniScript data raptor integration procedure and FlexCard. So these are the component of OmniStudio. And if you want to configure them, then this is the permission that you need. And as a normal user, if you just want to execute this, then you need OmniStudio user. So all the business users will have OmniStudio user permission set, and all the admins or the people who are going to configure these things should have OmniStudio admin permission set. Now let's open the OmniStudio app. So let's just search for OmniStudio, and here you see that OmniStudio is basically an app with all the components are as a tab, or all the tools are available as a tab to us. So here we have OmniScript, and in this org I don't have any OmniScript. Again, if it were a industry org, let's say Health Cloud org, then you would have seen few OmniScript templates available here which are specific to Health Cloud. Again, as we had discussed that Velocity had given many pre-built templates specific to different industries. So in the Health Cloud org, you will see OmniScript specific to Health Cloud. Similarly, in different industry, Finance Cloud or Insurance Cloud, you will see different OmniScripts already available. But here in this org, since it's a simple developer org, there is no OmniScript. Similarly, you can see data raptors here. This is the data raptor. Again, I do not have any data raptor, and then integration procedure here. And finally, we have FlexCard. Yeah, so since this is a brand new org, we are seeing few warnings here which we need to resolve right now. So once you click on that, you will see those warning. It says that to work with FlexCard, you need to add these two URLs into the remote site settings. So let's just copy these URL. First is this one. And here you can search for remote site settings and add a new URL here. This is VF Omni URL, and click and save and new, and get the next one is this one. So this is lightning omni URL, right? And just save it. So this is only needed in case you want to work with FlexCard. So this URL needs to be added if you want to create FlexCard, but for data raptor integration procedures and OmniScript, you will not see this error. Right now, if we just refresh this, we'll see that these warnings will go away. Right now we do not have these warnings, so now we can create FlexCard also. So that's it. These are the four tools that we will be working in our upcoming videos, starting from data raptors and then integration procedures, OmniScripts, and FlexCard. So all those tools are available right in the OmniStudio app. You can add more tabs if you want to. You can just add more tabs like account, contact, anything here. But these are the four main tabs that we will be working with.